Hello again. Hey.
Hi.
We decided today we were going to play Hoover Boys and get out and do a little bit of metal detecting. I got to play Kurt because I have the sweatband.
And I'm playing Brad.
I'm Aqua Shaker.
He's not a Hoover Boy.
Do I look like I care?
Aqua Shaker's
Okay.
fun to say.
Okay, we'll go with that. So
Yes.
we got out. It's just a couple of houses down from us here that's not occupied. It's abandoned right now, actually. So we decided to go while there's actually no ownership. It's in limbo right now. So we went over to just a little bit spot in the front yard for about an hour to see if we could find anything. Made sure we took good care of the land and all that kind of stuff. Let's show you what we found.
We think we found something worth investigating.
Oh, great. It feels like there's roots down there, too.
Diggy, diggy hole. Diggy, diggy hole. Diggy, diggy hole.
Oh.
Cassie,
What?
continue singing the song. The
Thanks.
great and majestical song. Diggy, diggy hole. Diggy, diggy hole. Diggy, diggy hole. Whatever the song goes.
Yeah.
I heard the song somewhere.
Couldn't have been this rock.
Do we have the pinpointer?
Huh?
Pinpoint, whatever.
This is really rocky. Holy cow. Okay, let's see.
We just found it. It's a steel strip. Great.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Bravo. You found a steel strip.
Something in the pug. I feel like it's something good. That's why I'm recording.
I doubt it is, but
Rock.
It's
that's not a rock. It's something.
It looks like a rock to me.
It's a rock.
It's not a rocket.
So we just found this little strip of something. And it has little holes in it. I have no clue what it is.
Let's see. We'll have to clean it up, but
I think a hole goes in a... I don't know.
no. I don't want to get too carried away and think ahead of time. There's a small hole here. These are reeded. This almost looks like part of a harmonica reed.
It does. It does. It
That
sure
would have been
does.
a first. That'll be a first if that's what that is.
And it's like cut off so there would still be more.
Yeah. It was
Totally looks like there would be more.
It was a ways down.
Oh my gosh, that totally looks like a harmonica reed. It's so cool. Just found this thing. I have no clue what it is. It looks like things are bent back, but it was ringing around dime or silver numbers. 80, 87? What did you say?
82-ish, something like that.
Hold it still.
And I think it might be silver because I could just wipe the dirt off.
Oh, here's that pull tab you were looking for. You said you were surprised you didn't see more pull tabs. There's you one.
Because this is where the garbage was at, wasn't it?
Yep. I don't know.
Annie.
We got a Wheatie. We got a Wheatie. Here, you can take it over there and see if you can see what the year is.
It is sweetie. Very sweetie. Ooh, I got
Okay,
something.
can you move out of the way? Ooh. That penny had friends.
Upside down. Maybe Bob in between.
Bob C? I have no clue. This is Bob C. This is someone's necklace.
This looks like 1948. You can't see it. Well, yeah, the glare you can kind of see. You can see the 19. Can't see the 48.
This is...
I think it says 1948.
Someone actually did this herself. You can see their name. They did it themselves.
1946 maybe?
I know you don't have your glasses on, but I'm pretty sure you can see it.
1904 something. And then there's the wheat thing.
Bobsy.
Yeah, and the
I can't see that.
necklace Cassie found. Switch, Cassie.
Just.
Cassie, I dropped it!
It's right at my foot.
Cool.
It's like part of a necklace thing, and then they Bobsy, yeah, it does look like Bobsy. Maybe it kind of looks like bulk,
Yeah, there's something else there too.
No.
because that could be an owl. I don't know, but my nails are awesome. We're on High School Host Club forever. Is it a quarter? I feel like it's a dime.
1993.
1993 what?
Quarter.
Get it in the shade or sun or something.
It's a very corroded quarter.
Oh, that's corroded. It means it's not corroded. Probably not.
Yep, the copper penny is going to be in better shape. The
can
zinc
see
pennies
the
are the ones that just eat themselves away.
Copper pennies.
Totally copper penny.
Oh, there it is right there.
Subscribe for my new song. Like it'll be showing
Cassie,
on
I didn't
iTunes.
record your new song. Then sing it again.
Copper pennies, oh how I love the copper pennies.
I think you got to sing a little bit louder
Copper
than that.
pennies, I love you, copper pennies. Subscribe for my song and it'll be showing on YouTube. Wait, what? No, I meant iTunes, yeah.
Coin.
Yep, it's just another penny, but I can tell by the numbers it's a
Copper?
copper penny. I can't, where's the back of it? That's a memorial. There's a Lincoln Memorial on the back, so that's a copper Lincoln Memorial penny. Numbers were really high on it. That was like an 85.
Worm.
Okay.
No, you buried the worm!
Yeah, that's how they like it.
Boo! I wonder if Kurt buries worms. You're supposed to throw them.
It's right there though, so let's
Dig it.
take a look. Break this apart just a little bit here.
Sorry. Dig it all.
It says it's right there. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. That looks like a dime.
A dime? Modern dime?
Yep, that's what it looks like. Yep, no silver there, but it's a dime.
Hmm.
When I dug it up, it's another Lincoln. It's a copper, but it's just a penny.
Penny. It's not a copper penny, not a copper penny, not
yes,
a copper
yes, it is a copper
penny,
penny.
not a copper
It's not a
penny.
zinc penny, it's a copper penny.
It's a zinc penny.
No, it's not,
It's
it's a
a-
copper.
Yeah, I thought it was a zinc penny, not a copper. What is it then?
It's not a zinc penny.
Oh, it's a copper penny. It's a copper penny. Copper, 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 pop, copper penny. 90 numbers now.
It's jumping up around 93. It says it's only about 4 to 6 inches deep, so let's see what we get. So, see if we got something.
You stung me on the head. It really hurts there.
Oh, don't let this be a piece of garbage. That can't be. Oh.
Something else is in
It's a
here.
piece of foil.
Something else. Something else.
Come here. Oh, I see something right there. See it?
Yes. It's a quarter.
Oh. That was an impression.
1984.
That was ringing up super high for a quarter.
Recheck the hole. You called me?
Yep, we got something in there. Let's hope it's something good. Where'd it go?
It's there.
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it.
It's a coin! What type of coin?
It's a penny, it's just a Lincoln penny.
Penny Lincoln, Lincoln
dropped
penny.
it again.
That's
not it.
Is it a...
There it is.
Is it a zinkin?
Nope.
Copper?
It's a copper. If it were zinc, it'd be all corroded.
Okay. Copper, 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 copper penny. Copper, 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 copper penny. Copper penny. I will sing that song every time we do a...
Can you move out of the way now?
Copper penny. Yes. Yes. What do you think? I think it's a dime.
It's over here.
It's gonna be over.
We're pretty shallow.
It's over like here.
Oh wait, it fell out.
Oh. It's
That
a
is
zinkin.
his copper penny.
Oh, copper.
Zinc pennies don't ring up in the 80s. That's like a 75.
Ah.
So
For real this time. Real these.
it'd be nice. We were on both accounts.
Huh? What is that?
It looks like 1/2 of thing that goes into a hose.
Ooh,
See, you got the little bands there that grip the hose when you put it inside.
yeah, this thing.
Yeah, that's nothing. Here, take it.
Again, we're
I
copper
call
penny,
copper
so
penny.
maybe too. I'm gonna say dime, because we haven't been right with pennies the last few 60 times.
Where'd it go? Oh, there's something. Dime. That's
Oh, Joe! I was right! Wait, leave this over. But I bet it's a dime.
It's a penny.
It's a. Oh, it's a penny. It's a penny.
It's right.
Wait, it's right. You
Where?
did.
Did I?
Yeah. Oh. Pfft. Oh no, that was the imprint.
Oh,
There-
then it
yeah.
might still be down there.
No, we saw
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, we saw the imprint. It fell down there.
No, we saw the penny, the actual penny.
Oh, there we go.
No, you didn't. You saw the imprint. That's how good the imprint is.
Date is 1973.
It's copper.
It's copper.
It's copper.
It's like heads or tails. Call it on the count. Or when
One,
it's in the air.
2, 3. Tails.
Heads. I win.
Wait.
Heads again. I win.
Tails. Tails. We think it's trash at the same time.
It's not a nickel. Nickel rings up a lot lower. Oh, what is that? Right
It's
there?
a penny. It's a penny. It's a wheat. No.
It's a penny that was ringing up like 84.
Recheck
Weird.
the hole. Oh, sorry, I fell. I'm really shaky and bad with cameras.
Yeah, I don't think this... I'll check this, but... Here is the fruit of our labors. The evening hunt for about an hour turned out pretty good, I think. We got, I think it was $1.29 altogether, and I don't count the 2 zinc pennies up there in the corner. We have, this little thing has Bob C on the back. This is the one that we thought could be silver when it was all muddy, but it's just an aluminum 4-luck clover. Pretty cool little find. This is my very first harmonica reed. I don't think this is particularly old. I think it probably goes back close to, you know, 1920s or so, I'd guess. But I don't think it goes any further back than that. But that's still pretty cool. That's close to 100 years old there. We got ourselves a 19-something or other wheat penny. I think it was like a 40... What does that say? 48D wheat penny. A little worn out there. But that's the oldest coin that we found. And a little bit of clad. This is it. Most of the pennies there were from the mid to early 70s. So kind of a consistent thing there with the pennies, at least. But it was a good day. We got to get out, pretend we were Hoover Boys for about an hour, and have a little bit of fun. So you guys get out and do some digging. Have some fun. See what you can find. Talk to you later.